Next we are discussing property based problems. So there are 5 problems are there. We are discussing these 5 problems. So first problem is what? This one. This is what? Log 81 to the base 27. So we are solving this one. So what we are doing? Here we are using basic definition. Okay, so what we are doing? Log 81 to the base 27. Suppose this value is what? Alpha. So this one we are converting in terms of exponent form. So what we can write? 81 equal to base power what will become alpha. So 27 power what will become alpha. So 81 we can write 3 power 4. And 27 we can write what? 3 power 3 to the whole power alpha. So this will come what? 3 power 4 equal to 3 power 3 alpha. So if we compare this one, we can say that 4 equal to what? 3 alpha. So alpha equal to what? 4 by 3. So what is the answer here? 4 by 3. We can use properties also. What property use? Log 81 to the base 27. So this one we can add what? Log 81 we can add 3 power 4 and 27 we can add what? 3 power 3. So here we are using property. So this one we can add what? This power will come at numerator 4 and base power will come at denominator. So 3 will become in denominator. So this will come log 3 base 3. So this value is what? 1. So what is the answer? 4 by 3. So by using property also we can do. What property we use here? Log m power n and base is what? A power b. So this one we can add n divided by b log m to the base a. This property we use here. So this is what? First problem. Second problem is what? This one. Okay, solution of second problem. Here also we can use property also and we can use directly also by using definition of logarithmic. Okay, so we can convert in terms of exponent, then also we can solve. If you use property, then also we can solve. So we are using a property. So what we can do? Log 64 to the base 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So this one we can add what? Log 64 we can add is what? 2 power 6. And 2 root 2 we can add what? 2 power 1 plus 1 by 2. So this will come what? 6 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2. Base power is what? 1 plus 1 by 2. And what will come? Log 2 base 2. So log 2 base 2 is what? 1. So what will come here? If you simplify this, what will come? 6. And denominator is what? 3 by 2. So this will come what? 12 by 3. 12 by 3 is what? 4. So what is the answer? 4. So if you use property, then also we can solve. Next is third problem. So solution of third problem. So here we want log of 2 minus root 3. Base is what? 2 plus root 3. Okay. So this one is there. Okay. This is what? Irrational number. So what we will do? We will multiply here conjugate. So this one will multiply with 2 plus root 3 divided with what? 2 plus root 3. This we will do. So this will come out log 2 plus root 3 and numerator is what? 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 is what? 4 minus 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. We are using what? A plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. This formula we are using here. So numerator 4 minus 3, that is 1. So this one we can write what? Log 1 divided by 2 plus root 3. So this one we can write 2 plus root 3 to the power minus 1 and base is what? 2 plus root 3. So here we are using property. So minus 1 will come in multiplication. So minus of log 2 plus root 3 and base is what? 2 plus root 3. This value is what? 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1. So this one is nothing but minus 1. Okay. Next problem is what? Fourth. So fourth is very simple. Log 0.008 to the base 0.2. So 0.008, this one we can add what? Log 0.2 to the power 3 and base is 0.2. So here we will come what? This 3 will come in multiplication. 3 log 0.2 base 0.2. So base and argument same. This value is what? 1. So what will come? 3. That is your answer. Next we are solving fifth problem. So solution of fifth problem. So here given is what? 0.16 to the power log 1 by 2 and base is what? 2.5. This one is given. So what we can do? 0.16 we can add what? 16 divided by 100 to the power log 1 by 2, and here is what 2.5. So this one we can write what 25 divided by 10. 2.5 we can write 25 divided by 10. So you can cancel here by 4. So this is what 4 and this is what 25. And 4 by 25 can be write as 5 by 2 to the whole power minus 2. To the whole power log 1 by 2, and here we are cancelling by 5. So what will go 5 and this is what 2. So what will go 5 by 2. Okay. So here what we are doing, see 4 by 25. 4 by 25 we can write what 2 by 5 whole square. And this one we can write, if you change interchange, so this one we can write 5 by 2 whole power minus 2. Because we know that a power minus b is what 1 divided by a power b. So this one we can write. So 4 by 25 we can write 5 by 2 to the power minus 2. So this will come. Now here also we are using one more things. If I have a power b to the whole power c, so this is equal to what a power b into c. So this will got minus 2 into this one. So this one we can write what 5 by 2 to the whole power minus 2 into this one, minus 2 into log 1 by 2, and base is what 5 by 2. This will come. Now here we are using property. So this minus 2 we can take in power. If I have n log m to the base a, so this one we can write what log m power n to the base a. So here minus 2 will come in power. So this will come what 5 by 2 to the whole power log 1 by 2. In 1 by 2 power is what minus 2, and base is what 5 by 2. So here also we are using property. What property we are using? If I have a power log a to the b to the base e. So if this one and this one is same, so this is equal to what b. So if you use this property here, so this one we can, here is what 5 by 2 and this is also 5 by 2. So this is equal to what 1 by 2 power minus 2. So this one we can write 2 power minus 1 to the whole power minus 2. So this is what minus 1 into minus 2 is what 2. So 2 power 2, that is 4. That's your answer. Okay, so this problem answer is what 4.